With Xero's Budget Manager, you can quickly prepare comprehensive budgets and compare against actual performance on selected periods. To set up your budgets, go to the Budget Manager function under the Reports tab. This is where we set up our overall budget for our profit and loss. Income first, less cost of sales to get to the gross profit. Next, the operating expenses and overheads are deducted to get to the net profit. First, we will need to select where we would like the budget to start. The actuals is how many periods prior to the budget date we would like to compare our budget to. I'm going to select 6 months. The period is how far forward we're budgeting. I'm going to select 12 months. Click Update. There are 2 ways you can populate the budget: directly into these boxes or by using the Import function. First, let's look at importing. Select Import and then download the template. This gives us a template with the 12 months we want and the 6 months of actuals we selected. Once we've completed the CSV, we will then come back into this screen and choose Browse. Then find the file and then Import. You will then receive a confirmation screen with any notifications, for example if you're replacing any existing data. Then click Confirm. You can now see the whole year's budget. However, we've just realised that we haven't included any interest income. Instead of re-importing, we can just add it in here. Select the first month it will appear in the budget and enter the amount. Notice the green arrow. If you select it, you will get the following options. You can either apply the fixed amount to each month, or you can adjust the amount by a certain amount each month, or by a percentage. Here we will adjust the amount by £1 per month and save our changes. OK, now we can add a second budget. We'll still have our overall budget to report on, but we can have other budgets that we can filter our reports with. Let's add a budget to our existing tracking category for our March conference that we set up. So from the Select Budget drop-down menu, choose Add a new budget. We're going to have one budget for staff costs for the March category, so we will name it Staff Costs. From the Events drop-down, select the March Conference Tracking category we set up earlier. We will start this budget in December, compare to no actuals, and run the budget for 6 months. This is a simple budget with only 3 accounts we're looking to track. We are budgeting for the contractor costs to be £5,000 per month. So we can select the green arrow and enter 5,000 into the Apply Fixed Amount to Each Month option. Click Apply. Advertising will be £1,000 in the first month, but over the next 6 months this will grow by 20% each month. So we can enter 1,000 into the December box, then select the green arrow and enter 20%, and then click Apply. General expenses will start at £150, and we'll budget that to grow by about £50 per month. So let's put in £150 in the December box, select the green arrow, enter £50 into Adjust by Amount each month, and click Apply. Once complete, click Save. Unlike the overall budget, you can delete any additional budgets you've created. Also, there's an Edit button which enables you to rename the budgets or create copies. For instance, I want to copy this budget for another conference we're running, so select Edit. It needs to have a different name. Then from the Save menu, choose Save as Copy. If I chose to save it, it would rename the existing budget. Now you've entered these budgets into Xero, you'll be able to track your progress towards your goals at any time. Xero will help to keep you and your business ahead and on track.